Hey guys, it's Moon here. I'm just here to tell you guys that the gaming part of the video was actually recorded yesterday. So my birthday was actually on August 22nd, not August 23rd. Yeah. Right back to the video, I guess.
A jolt and then you'll die.
What's up, guys? It's Moon here. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be playing 1v1.lol. But before I get right into it, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe because yesterday was my yesterday I was gonna say yesterday was a YouTube channel. Yesterday was my birthday, so yeah. Let's get right into it. Check these guys are here. 90s. I don't know, I have a different type of 90. Oh my gosh, I'm liking it. Being God at Fortnite on the laggiest game ever. Ooh. Oh my gosh, guys, I one pumped him in the head. Do you guys see how laggy that is? Okay, let's go again, but hopefully it's not as laggy. Like, come on. I don't like this lag. Please cut it out. No more lag. Hashtag freeze Jarvis. Oh my gosh. Hashtag free me from lag. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? As I said, I do different 90s. I don't do that. Can you edit? Oh, yeah. 70 HP because it's that shot. Maybe I'm like lagging. This place. Oh my gosh. I'll hit him. Unlag me about that. Can you edit, man? It's so laggy. Guys, I actually got him. Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh. I'm so laggy, but I always get the kill. Okay, now let's do box 2v2 right here. Look at this lag. 100. I think it's raining outside right now, so I think that's why it's so laggy. I think that's why it's so laggy. Oh my gosh, guys, I got them both even on this terrible lag, guys. It's so laggy, I still got them both. Let's go again, let's go again. I'm probably gonna do some challenges in 1v1.lol, you know? Like a sniper only, no scope only, shotgun only, air only. Do that stuff. Maybe I'll copy some like Fortnite Pro settings. Who knows? I mean, I think I'm pretty good. Well, you guys haven't seen me without the lag, but I think you guys will when you guys see the trick shot compilation. Oh, I forgot this is replay. gosh, my teammate's pretty good. But I need to get rid of this lag. I don't play box competitive, so there's only one person, 2 people. That's much lag. It's actually raining outside, so. Oh yes, I actually got him. It's much better like this. It's actually thunder outside. Man. I actually hit some insane trick shots. So go check it out tomorrow or the day after. I'm not sure because I have to edit all this, all the clips out right here. Go on, guys. Let's go. It's 1v1 again. Let's go back to 1v1, guys. Comment down below how you enjoy my channel so far. You know, give me some feedback because it's only my first video right here. Any other game if you guys want. I can even play Fortnite sometime, but oh, I actually got him. I can actually play Fortnite, but we'll stick with 1v1 for now. And then probably after the 1v1 series is done, I'll play some Fortnite for you guys. You know, maybe I'll stream sometime. But actually, no, I can't. Maybe I can actually stream on YouTube, but not yet. But I'll just do videos for now. I'll actually do a face review when we hit like 1,000 subs. So smash the like button and make sure you subscribe if you want me to have a face review. I mean reveal. I keep saying review. Oh, so laggy, so laggy. Please. My teammate got him, but I got the other one. Let's go, teammate. Oh my god, I'm gonna do 1v1 competitive. So there's people that actually are actually good here because you know everyone must be like have trophies. Alright, so I got the Moon 90s. It's not famous yet, but if you see this video, you go. No, it's not. This is a night show. I probably know already. Bro, I just felt like this is so laggy. So laggy, guys. Almost fell off. This is a normal 90. It's like reverse 90. Oh no, I can't do reverse 90. I think people in like console do those reverse 90 thingies. Oh, okay, he knocked me down. What it just gone 30. Go. Oh my gosh, guys, I was so close. I hit him for like another 100, so I hit him for like, he's full at like 30 HP. I'm actually gonna go to free build right here. Go here. I'm gonna do that right like this. You go this. You place the wall down. No, you don't do that. That's a Nitro 90. Come on. Like this. Like that. Like this. 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 Make sure you jump when you place the wall here. I don't know why I do that, but it's actually it's probably the fastest, even faster than my 90. Do it in Fortnite, not here. Well, you can do it in here too, but come on, you get stuck in walls here, which is just sad. Oh my god, I'm lagging so hard. You guys see this lag right now? You guys might be like, oh, you're trash at building. Come on, guys, don't be mean about it. Come on, guys, I'm lagging like crazy now. Come on, guys, I'm actually pretty good at building. I'm even better. I'm way better when it's not as laggy at all, but As you guys can see, I'm actually pretty good. I can crack 90s and stuff like that. Yeah, I just turned like 11 yesterday. Like, I'm crazy. Yeah, that's how I build. Now let's get back into 1v1. How do you guys like my first video? Like, come on. Okay, I'm actually gonna concentrate now. Like, this dude can crack 90s. I could do way better than this, but I got the highest ping of all time. I'm lagging so hard. Not even the ping that's lagging, it's just like it's raining. And the internet's bad here because of the rain. What's Jason? He's up there, yeah. Hit him. Oh, I should have no scope in there. I'm not gonna rush this kid. Oh, guys, I died to this dude because of my lag. Guys, I have super laggy right now. Just look at my key buttons if you guys want to know how I build. I'll probably change it up very, very soon. I can't put my pyramid as E anymore. I'll change it up, don't worry. But if you guys, you know, don't know what to use. Oh, I need to... What's this dude doing? Oh, I actually got him! I don't know what he was doing. But let's see. I gotta hit a trick shot before ending the video, so I'm gonna try it right here. I'm trying hitting a trick shot. Not possible, but I was building high at the 90s. It's so loud, guys. Turn down your volume. Guys, come on. I tried to hit the trick shot of reloading the sniper. I didn't even know he was, but come on. Come on, just come on. Like that crazy. Did this guy just go through my wall? What the hell? Just trying to pick up. Come on, don't embarrass me. Oh my god. The laggiest I've ever played in my life. I've never played the rain before. Oh my god. Oh guys, I actually killed him. I don't know how I did it though, guys. Oh my gosh. This kid's probably raging. But I guess I gotta end the video there. Peace.